That should be enough, right?
Speak normally.
Pancake.
Penis.
I hate frying shit. It
the
scares
allergy
me.
though.
Penis. No, penis is not the P word either.
Side.
Okay. We're frying these hoes up. You ready? No, you're
No, I still gotta dice my onion.
Wait, how much onion did they want?
I don't know, like
Is it
half to a fourth of that.
Half
But
of
they
it?
wanted it grated. So
Yo, this shit's
like a fourth.
milky.
Dude, they
Oh,
want it
grated.
Cake's a bad word. Cake no like it.
I'm pretty sure it says.
Grated, dude. I already washed my grater off and got my
Oh,
knife
no, there's
dirty.
smoke and there's a fire alarm. Oh fuck.
Does that mean content is about?
I'm not stopping it. So. Bye.
I don't like pancakes
It's
anyway.
going. What is burning? Oh fuck. Something's burning.
I want to bite it.
You want to bite the onion?
Looks crisp.
It says half of a small Spanish onion grated. So just grate.
Yo, look at the milk frothing out of there, dude.
Yeah, grate some of it and put it in.
Yum, I love eating
Not
onions.
exact science. This ain't bacon.
I'm not gonna grate it.
Whoa.
I'm gonna chop it. I'm gonna chop it.
You chop it. I don't think that. I think the fire alarm's broken. You know what that means? 4 of my fire out of 5 of my fire alarms in my house do not work.
Well, you can see the smoke.
Don't cry, Camille.
Yeah, all 3 of them are.
I can't see from here.
Dude, all 3 of them are unplugged upstairs, and this one's broken, and the one outside is the only one that works. Oh my god, that's actually on fire. Oh, that smells smoky. Okay. Chill out, dude. Chill out. Oh my god. I might have to open a window now. Fuck. It didn't even set it up. Where's the content? Oh god.
Blockers.
Smoking me out!
Actually, true. Radeev said that? Yeah, true. Oh my god, my eyes. Fuck, dude. I gotta stand back.
What are your
Okay, this
Stand
probably
back.
enough
fish
onion.
cakes cake?
Oh, that is-
Slump.
Smoky as fuck, dude. I should not have let that smoke. Hot damn.
Wait, what smoked? Was the oil?
Something was crusted onto the cooking.
Yo, we are literally on the same vibe right now.
I'm drinking root beer kombucha. It fucking slaps, dude. It
That
slaps.
honestly sounds fucking amazing. I've never. Wait, what brand is it? Can I see it?
Oh,
Show the
give
bottle.
us live sparkling.
Producer,
root beer
it's in
kombucha.
a can. It's in a can.
I can take a picture. I'll put it in your chat.
Is that a can?
It's a
Oh,
bottle.
it's not. It's a bottle.
What the fuck? I've never seen that. I've never
It's
seen that.
classy as shit. I found it at Kroger.
Yo, Josh, it was at Kroger.
Yeah.
Dude, Kroger has the worst selection of kombucha for me.
Dude.
They hardly have any of the
10
good ones.
different brands at minimum.
_, we found blue
Okay, I'm posting the kombucha and food pics. Okay.
Kellogg sells blue waffles. Pass it on. Kombucha is
I
great.
love it. Some of them
Kombucha
are
is
really
great,
good.
especially the.
I
You
don't
got a
think I have
tip
a
of my leg
bottle
in that
of
one.
I don't remember any of the brands of the
Blue
kombucha.
waffles.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I think there's like Synergy. I think there's that one. I don't like that brand.
No, I think that's GT something.
Oh, I think
GT
my
Synergy.
oil is smoking now.
That one's like the most legit, but it doesn't taste the best.
Where?
Yeah. Okay, I'm just... Okay, so you...
That's what I used yesterday for the batter. GT Synergy.
I'm
Kellogg
fucking
sells
doing
blue
it. Shit.
waffles. Pass it on.
Kellogg sells blue waffles. Pass it on. Pass it
But
on.
this is terrifying. I fucking hate oil. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Fuck it. That's a pancake, right?
Waffle. Pass it on.
What? No, that's not even true.
Pass it on.